kids, welcome to our bird watching adventure in beautiful Jamaica. Today we are going to meet 10 amazing birds that call this island home. Let's spread our wings and explore. First up, meet the Jamaican hummingbird. It's tiny and mighty with vibrant colors that shimmer in the sunlight. Next, say hello to the Jamaican toady. This little bird may be small, but it's bursting with personality and bright green feathers. Now let's meet the Jamaican oriole. With its striking yellow plumage and melodic song, it's a true symbol of Jamaica. Moving on, it's time to discover the Jamaican woodpecker. With its strong beak and rhythmic popping, it's a master of making holes in trees. Up next, we have the Jamaican parakeet. This colorful bird loves to socialize and can be found in flocks flying through the sky. Now let's say hi to the Jamaican lizard cuckoo. With its distinctive call and stealthy hunting skills, it's a true predator of the jungle. Moving forward, it's time to meet the Jamaican tanager. With its vibrant red and black plumage, it's a stunning sight among the trees. Next, say hello to the Jamaican vireo. This cheerful bird is known for its sweet song and curious nature. Now let's welcome the Jamaican Bicard. With its unique crest and agile flight, it's a true gem of the Jamaican sky. And last but not least, we have the Jamaican crow. With its sleek black feathers and intelligent eyes, it's a common sight across the island. Wow, what an incredible aura of birds we have met today. Jamaica is truly a paradise for bird watchers. Until next time, happy bird watching, kids.